Can you show Mommy the whale? Where's the whale? Yay! Thank you. How about, can you show us the walrus? Which one's the walrus? Oh, that's a shark. That's a shark. Thank you for the shark. Can you show me the walrus? How about the walrus? You see the walrus? Oh, that's another whale. Thank you. That's a whale. You see the walrus? That's a shark. This trick isn't working too well. There is the walrus. Yay! How about, Christian, how about the turtle? Can you find the turtle? Where's the turtle? Yay! How about, Christian, can you find the penguin? Where's the penguin? There's the penguin. Good job. Do you see a duck? Where's the duck? You see a duck in the water? Christian, do you see a duck? Where's the duck? Where'd that duck go? Yay! Duck, good job, Christian. Thank you. Duck. There's another duck. That's right. There's another duck. I'm not sure what else is in the tub. Oh, Christian, can you show me the octopus? Where's the octopus? You see an octopus? Yay! Good job. Octopus, yeah. You see any more whales? You see a whale? How about a whale? Oh, that's close. That's a crab. It's not really close, but we'll pretend it's close. Thank you very much. Duck, that's right. Does the duck taste good? Does it taste better than your sneaker? You see them? Oh, there's another duck. That's the mommy duck. I don't think Daddy wants you to eat that one either. Is that the penguin? Are you sticking your face? He likes to stick his face in the water now.